Hi, g'day everyone. My name's Alex. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Milesight UR75-5G. This is a new device to Leader, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. Although I've already taken everything out of the box here, so we can just see the various components. And we're going to be just having a look at the port options, what this device is designed for, and really who needs to buy these types of devices. So the first thing that you will notice is the UR75-5G. The name says it all. It's a 5G capable device. It is also 4G capable, so it works in both environments. 5G obviously means more speed for you, so it means it's a wider range of applications that can actually use this type of device. And this device actually also has 2 SIM slots, which we'll look at in a minute, which does provide failover capabilities as well. It does have strong built-in 2x2 MIMO AC Wi-Fi with speeds of up to about 1.7 gigabit per second as well, which obviously means it can share out that 5G connectivity to the devices around it, which is really important. These devices do come with remote management capabilities as well. So it comes with up to 25 devices free of charge that you can manage through their remote software. Should you require anything additional or beyond that, you can actually unlock it for additional devices free of charge. I just need to send an email to the Milesight team to actually unlock that for you. It's got a strong built-in Qualcomm processor as well, which again means it's a truly tested processor and it's highly reliable. This also does have built-in GPS support, which again means it's applicable to mobile applications as well, which is really important for a lot of people. In terms of the use cases, I think any type of remote deployment really can benefit from this device. It's well suited to remote CCTV or even access control. Of course, the extra bandwidth means it's really ideal to stream larger amounts of data. It can work in mobile applications, like I said, with built-in GPS. And can be moved around as well. Even when we look at the power supply, it was designed for mobile use as well. And mission critical environments or anywhere where you need redundancy, I think that's really where this device shines. So let's take a look at it. The first thing we'll notice is the industrial design. So it's got a metal enclosure, which means it's really well suited to a wide range of applications. This does have a IP30 rating, which unfortunately means it's not 100% waterproof or dustproof, but it is very well suited to a wide range of operating temperatures, so -40 to +70 degrees Celsius, which means this device can be put into, let's say for example, a car or truck, a bus, or even a enclosure or something like that, to have this device powered and covered and protected. But this industrial design means it's strong and sturdy as well, so it won't get damaged easily. In terms of the design and how it's mounted, so this device can be mounted either via DIMM rail, or it can be mounted just obviously as a device on a shelf somewhere. Again, CPE means client premises equipment, so it depends on what your client premises looks like. But really sturdy design, really well designed as well. Taking a look at the port options, so it's got 5 Ethernet ports here. 4 of them are LAN ports, and then 1 of them is a LAN/WAN port, so it's a combo port. You can use either or. The first 4 Ethernet ports are also PoE out ports, which makes it ideal for powering devices remotely. So for example, if you want to switch on a CCTV camera or an IP phone or something like that, and you don't want to deploy additional power, this has the PoE built into it. Really nice for that. In terms of the ports up here, so the antenna ports that you see, those are used for cellular connectivity. So it's got 3 antenna ports that are used for cellular. 1 of them is used for GPS. And that again, that GPS means you can track this device. You can see exactly where it is, specifically if you're using mobile applications as well. Going over to the side here, you'll see it's got a RS485 and a RS232 port as well as a digital input and output. That's ideal for powering up or switching on devices remotely, and really taking control of legacy/analog devices. It's really ideal for that. It comes with a little connector, as we can see there as well. In terms of the power input, like I mentioned before, so it's got 9 volt to 48 volt DC power input. Again, for mobile applications, that's really ideal. Means a wide range of power options to power this device. It's got a USB port for future use, and then it's got two Wi-Fi antenna ports along the side as well. Moving over to the back, like I said, it comes with the DIN rail mounting option included as part of this device. Alternatively, this can be mounted on a desk. I've taken off the metal cover along the side here just so I can show you the ports. This does have the two SIM slots, like I mentioned before, as well as the reset button hidden away behind this port, which you would traditionally cover up. Really nice and wide range of flexible ports and mounting options, so awesome for a broader range of applications. The SIM slots, the dual SIM slots, they are both full size as well, so it means it's more flexible in terms of adding your SIM card into it. And interestingly, this device also even supports a M.2 built-in NVMe SSD, which you can add onto it. So that would obviously be for future applications, building and developing your own use cases for that. Taking a look at the rest of the included accessories, so it comes with the quick start guide as you would expect. The mounting options, like I said, as well as the metal cover for that. It comes with a normal Ethernet cable. It comes with the warranty card. It comes with the little connector block, as well as your 48 volt 48 volt power supply, and of course the connectivity built into that as well. Like I said, you can power that via additional power sources as well, and then obviously it comes with the all the antenna options included as part of the package. I can think of a million different uses for this device. I really like it. I think it's an awesome little device, especially with the remote management capabilities. Really liking this device. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have questions on this device or any of the Milesight products, you're more than welcome to reach out to your BD account manager for any additional assistance or information. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.